Here I have Motorola Moto G72, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and basically on this device you only have two different resolutions. You have just normal photo resolution, which you can access in normal photo mode, and you have ultra high, super high, ultra resolution, with which you can take photos in super high resolution, which you can access just by going to more and selecting ultra res. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.